Hey, what's up? Peace upon you and welcome to my brand new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you a significant rules that you have to follow and you have to apply in your life. That is none other than success. Why we have to be success? If we look around the world, the massive people are middle class families or there's lower class family. It's little amount of their risk by born. As a middle class or lower class people, we have to do so many things to become success. And so, if you why you have to be success, you have query. If you have this type of query, we are born like a middle class or something like that, but we have huge responsibility for our family, for our life, and we are born by our creators almighty, and will die. But why the creators created you? You have to create your own identification in this earth so that people can recognize, recall you by your identification. If you die like a poor, then there is none who will, poor means that if you die accept your identification, if you are unable to do something better or a good thing for society, for this world, for your upcoming generation, then people will never recognize you, people will never remind you. This is harsh true, you have to accept that. And you, even that, you will never get priority from your family, favorite friend, neighbors, and there's none will give you priority. If you want to get your priority, you have to do something unique, and you have uniqueness. Try to find out your uniqueness and do something better. Your life has huge step. Sometimes we are facing trouble, sometimes we are passing happy moments, sometimes we become frustrated, sometimes we are feeling that we have to die because we cannot do anything, we cannot get our desired thing. So never fluctuate, just work like a dumb. Then be patient and work until you succeed. So there is none who will give you priority, who will give you the space. If you cannot do something better for yourself, if you are unable to create your identification, that's why it's highly needed our life, that anyhow I have to be success in life. So what is the secret to be success? I'm gonna say today. So until you succeed, there is none who will give you priority. So how can you be success? So accept patience, accept hardworking, you cannot be success. That if you are a student, or if you are job holder, if you are whatever you are, so from your position try to find out your strengths and work and try to achieve that. So suppose you are a student and you need to go another country for your higher education, you need to get any desired job. So how can you be able to get? You accept hardworking, accept gaining knowledge. You cannot do something, do anything. That's why just work. So there is none who will ask you behind the story. Whenever you will be success, then people will always come to you and they will celebrate you there. But there is none who will ask the behind story. So no need to show up your behind the story, just show up yourself by your success. So right now we may get huge compliment from others, it's like bad compliment, and we are feeling troubled, and sometimes we feeling really broken, so sad. So it's also part of life, believe me brothers or sister, believe me, it's part of life. So never just lose your patience, just keep work hard, that will bring your success. Believe me, right now success knocking at your door. And how can you see your success? By work, by work hard, not only work, just try to fix out a goal and work hard until you win, and then you will get your success. And success right now knocking at your door, just bring your success by work hard. Suppose still your main target to learn this language, it's like another language is not our mother tongue, it's like foreign language. So how can I learn? We have to be patient. We have to work hard, and you have to think that, yeah, if others people can speak English or something like that, so why am I unable to do that? I have ability. I'm also created by our creators. So I have everything. I have mental powers, physical powers, everything I have gotten from our almighty creators. Be patient. And you know one thing I'm saying, that we can see there are plenty of Buddhist speakers in this platform. We can see their performance, how they became like fluent speaker and how they got their proficiency. Believe me, behind they have done huge hard work, except patience, except practice, except dedicate hardship. There's none who will be success in life. There's none. Believe me, every sector, whenever we can see, everyone is like struggling for living. This is the step of life. This is part of life. This is the rules of life. You have to accept that. Okay, so by the way, I am also trying to do something, and everyone is trying. So just try, try to be positive. So whenever you are positive on, then your capacity, it will be more expand, and you can easily storehouse knowledge, and you can think about your life. Never lose your time like a vagabond, like a random person. You are the special one. You have responsibility for your family, but why you are losing your time? If you are lost your time, in the end, you have to suffer. You know. So that's why try to think about you. Try to think about your life and what I have to do. Why the creators created me? What's my responsibility? And be success in life. Don't die until you get success. Why I'm saying that? When we will get like our die, and we will get the permission Almighty Allah that you have to live out this world, we don't know. But before dying, we have to try. We have trying harder to get success, and we may try, and Allah will give us the desired thing. Whenever we are positive, then we can think like widely. So which is highly needed for ourselves. So try to be success in life, and be patient. Keep going, and you can see the view where I am. Ah, okay. As you know, guys, I live in Blaze area, and I love this area because it's full of nature. And one more thing, and enjoy your life with peace. No need to be like vagabond, or I mean rustic minded or narrow minded. You have to be positive minded wherever you go. Try to find out positive thing. No need to like present your rude behavior with others. You will die one day, and you have to face your judgment, and Allah will ask you what you have done in this earth. Okay, that's all for now. I love to talk randomly, you know very well, and that's why today I also chosen out this place. Right now you can see I'm sitting on distracted board. Okay, so I love this type of little thing. I mean, bird or nature. That thing gave me pleasures. It make me happy. Okay, that's all for now. See ya and happy learning. Keep faith on you. Keep faith on Allah, and like respect your parents, respect neighbors. Try to respect everyone. Whenever you will respect others, the respect will come to you. This is the law of nature. Okay, so you have to believe that. And okay, so what should I say? I don't know, but I wanna make this video 10 minutes. It's my challenge that anyhow I will make it like 10 minutes until I will continue my practicing. So behind you can see this is the natural view and green nature, which is so mind-blowing. I love this nature. And in this side you can see here a pond. This is our pond. Already you guys know about it, but today I will also share special thing with special and serious matter that I already elaborate to you. Okay, it's already done 10 minutes, so that's all for now. See ya, Allah Hafiz. I think you will be success very soon. Just keep patient and hard work. Never fluctuate until you win. Allah Hafiz.